Today we are looking at markups. So a markup is an amount or a percentage by which a good or service is increased. So it is very similar to our percentage increase work we have done earlier. So what a markup is when a wholesaler buys something, they then sell it at a markup in order to achieve profit through the retailer. We're going to go through some worked examples now. The price of petrol was marked up by 8.8% from the wholesaler to the retailer. If the wholesaler bought it at 129.5 cents per litre, what is the sale price per litre after the markup? Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we have an increase here, and it's increasing by 8.8%. Remember that 100% is what the petrol already was. To convert that to a decimal, we divide it by 100. And that gives us 1.088. Once you have that figure, you multiply it by the original price. And 129.5, finding 1.08% of it is 140.896 cents. But we want that to 2 decimal places. Now, because that number is higher than 5, the answer is going to be 140.90 cents, 0.90 cents. Next question. Cooper bought Bluetooth speakers for $345 and he sold them for $500. What was the percentage markup? So this is very similar to percentage increase, where the answer is actually a percentage. How we solve it is we find the difference between the two prices. So if he bought them for $500 and he sold them for $500, he's going to make $155 profit. So we use that difference, we divide it by what it originally was. Then we times it by 100 because our solution is a percentage. Now the answer is 44.93%. We want it at a whole number. So if we were to round that, it would be 45%. And that is how you calculate a markup using percentage increase.